It pushes wireless HDMI transmitter kit, embraces advanced 5GHz technology, ensuring stable wireless HDMI transmission up to an impressive 165 feet. Simply plug and play. No drivers or networks required. Step 1. Insert the receiver into your TV's HDMI port, power it via USB, and switch your TV to HDMI input. Your TV will showcase the startup interface. Step 2. Insert the transmitter into your laptop's HDMI port and power it via USB. Watch as your laptop screen seamlessly synchronizes with the TV. Step 3. Press Windows to switch between mirror or extend mode, enabling different content on both screens. Step 4. Right-click the sound icon, select Sound, navigate to the Playback tab. In the window, choose the transmitter from the list and set it as default. Your sound will now synchronize flawlessly with the TV.
He didn't just come for our planet. He wanted our greatest technology.